In today's videos, we're gonna have a quick comparison between the two Beats Studio. If I'm gonna show you this, you probably won't know the difference between these two. The black one is actually, I think it was released in 2017, and I've been using this for a long time. I bought the iMac, and that's what I got for buying the iMacs back in the day. And this one is the current one, just been released a couple weeks ago. If I put them side by side, you would not know which one's which. They look identical, and I'm gonna show you guys the differences between these two. Let's look at the headband. As you guys can see, the headband is cleaned up quite a bit. The Studio, the old one come with the Studio 3 over here, and then on top of the band we have little Beats, and then on the left side we have the wireless. So overall, I really like the new design. I mean, not really a new design, but I feel like it just cleaned up quite a bit with the iconic Beats. You can tell this is a Beats headset. Look at the port. Now we have on the Studio Pro, we have the USB Type-C, and this one's still using the micro USB. The new one, the only thing changes, I think, for the USB Type-C, you can charge it for 10 minutes and you will get 4 hours of juice. While the old one, you get 10 minutes and you get 3 hours. Come on, after 6 years, and that's all this thing can do. I expect a little bit more than that. And the battery life on these two things, with active noise cancellation off, you will get about 40 hours of battery, and with this one, basically the same. Now with everything's on, the Studio will get 22 hours. The Studio Pro will get 24 hours. Wow, so much difference. No, this is a joke. I feel like overall the quality, basically everything the same. The function button, everything the same. They look practically identical, man. Like, I don't see the difference at all. So for me, I'm a gamer and I listen to music every now and then. I find that these two, if you don't really pay attention, they sound very similar, except the new ones sound a little bit more clear, just like slightly, not significant. When I asked my wife which ones sound better, she could not tell me. She said they sound the same, with loudness and everything basically the same. I feel like I don't know. I don't know how I feel about these. I mean, the design is awesome already. I guess just for me, spending $350, I feel like I want something else, right? Something new with this new headset, but they're practically the same. Battery have not improved that much, and charging is even haven't improved at all. Amazon, you can buy this for $169, while this new one is $350. I would say if you want the latest, the greatest, this will be the one to go. But if you on a budget and you want a good pair headset and you don't want to pay that much, this one should go. I'll leave both of the link in the description below, and you guys can feel free to check it out. I asked my wife how this sound and how's it comfortable, and she said basically the same. And I'm not gonna lie, the material of the ear cup, they are very similar. I don't think there's anything that really anything changes. I feel like they just they just change the inside. I guess what the inside is more important, but then again, I'm not an audiophile, so I can't really tell you. But for me, just listen to music and playing games with these, I don't see the difference at all. I don't see how you're gonna spend $350 for the Studio Pro over the Studio. I guess it's almost like $180 difference, and I don't think it's worth it. Now, that's just my own opinions. Overall, they're a great headset, and like I said, I have this one since 2018 or 19, and look at them. They work very well. I mean, I can't complain. With the Beats Studio Pro, you get a little more function when it gets into the app. You can customize the buttons however you want. Those are the only options that are available on the Beats Studio Pro. With the Beats Studio, you can only have noise cancellation off or on. That's all. But just the fact that 6 years later, not much had changed. Come on, Beats. I mean, Apple, right? You can do better. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed these videos. And if you do, leave a comment below and hit that like button. Thank you so much. Peace out.